This video will cover turning Riemann sum into an integral. Express the following limit as a definite integral. Limit n goes to infinity, summation j goes from 1 to n, j over n squared, cosine of j squared over n squared. Here's this Riemann sum theory. Limit n goes to infinity, j goes from 1 to n, f of xj times b minus a over n is equal to a to b f of x dx. So first we're going to try to turn this into this. Pattern recognition is the key to solving this question. The goal is to find xj, these are the x values, to find the lower limit a, to find the upper limit b, and to find the function f of xj. So that the Riemann sum can be transformed into a definite integral. So let's rewrite this as limit n goes to infinity, j goes from 1 to n, j over n cosine j over n all squared times 1 over n. This is equal to limit n goes to infinity, j goes from 1 to n, f of xj times b minus a over n. And then we're going to turn this into a definite integral, a to b, f of x dx. So we're going to start by letting xj be equal to j over n. That means that x1 is 1 over n, x2 is 2 over n, and xn is n over n, which is 1, and that's b. Now we know that b minus a over n is going to give us 1 over n. That's from here, this 1 over n. And we already know that b is equal to 1. That implies that a has to be 0. So delta x is going to be b minus a over n. That's 1 minus 0 over n. Alright, so we know that xj is just j over n. This is the x value right here. This is xj, j over n, j over n. So you have x cosine of x squared times delta x. Notice that 1 over n is analogous to b minus a over n. And xj, which is j over n, that's here. And then the function builds up around the xj. That's basically xj cos of xj squared. So let's rewrite the function. F of x is equal to, f of xj is equal to xj cos of xj squared. And that means the function f of x is x cos of x squared. Now that we have all the pieces of the puzzle, we can transform the Riemann sum into a definite integral. We have our a to be 0, b is equal to 1, and the function f of x is equal to x cos of x squared. So the limit as n goes to infinity, j goes from 1 to n, j over n squared, cos of j squared over n squared, that's equal to integral 0 to 1 x cos of x squared dx. This is the answer. The Riemann sum transformed into an integral. Alright, thank you.